Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss wild pointer in C programming. So let's get started. Guys, a pointer which has not been initialized and points to arbitrary memory location is known as wild pointer. And this wild pointer may lead a program to behave wrongly or to crash. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss an example of wild pointer. And guys, this is an example of wild pointer because we have not initialized this pointer. Now guys, how to solve this kind of problem? So guys, we can assign any address to this pointer p. Now pointer p is not a wild pointer. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the difference between null and wild pointer. Guys, null pointer points the base address of segment, while wild pointer doesn't point any specific memory location. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.